Cars these days are getting too damn expensive. So today we're gonna tell you about 5 of our favorite project cars under $5,000, starting with my pick, the Sn95 Mustang GT.
Hi, Justin.
Hey, Jimmy.
It's a Mustang. I've never seen one this clean. Every time I see one, it's pretty clapped out, and usually they're the V6 model, but this is the V8 with the 5 liter.
5 liter.
It's got a manual transmission, rear wheel drive.
Rear wheel drive, body kits, aftermarket. So much stuff you can do with a body like this. Yeah. So the owner, Dimitri, started off with a stock Sn95 Ford Mustang GT.
Bought it for $4 grand.
Yeah, bought it for $4,000 in 2006.
That's crazy.
And he wanted to do a Celine replica.
Enough talk.
Yeah,
I want to ride in this thing.
Do we have a key?
The beast has awoken. Oh, dang. Woo! Oh, that sounds great. $5,000, I'm in. We've moved 5 feet. I'm already sold. Oh, yeah.
This generation Mustang debuted in 1994 and was in production till 2004. I think it's one of the most underrated and affordable ways to get into a muscle car. The first 2 years of the Sn95 Mustang had the old pushrod 5 liter V8 that made 250 horsepower. But then the refresh was referred to as the new Edge with the 4.6 liter V8 making a smacking 260 horsepower.
The aftermarket on these cars is nuts. Again, there's so many options you can go with. You can go with Celine. You can go with Ford Performance.
And that's the beauty of a car with a lot of selections is you don't even have to buy aftermarket parts. You can just buy leftover OEM parts from people that have upgraded their old cars. Dude, there's so much grip in this thing.
Really?
Dude, look how quickly it returns. Oh, you can get a lot out of these things no matter what. And the best part is, it's cheap.
There's so much you can do with these cars. You could take it drifting, you could go to the drag strip, you can go to the track. There's so much you can do with this car. It's so capable. These are coming around again. They are relevant.
Some things you might want to look out for is to make sure you know the difference between the 5 liter and the 4.6 models. They both have the reputation for intake manifolds that could leak. Check for rust on those shock towers, frame rails, and your floor panels. So for $5,000, you have to have rear-wheel drive, you're an American fan, and you want a big V8. You can't go wrong with the Sn95 Mustang.
Valvoline. Oh yeah, Valvoline. Restore and protect me. I want my engine to run perfectly. Oh, Valvoline. I don't want my engine to die. No, yeah, yeah. No. Now I know I can sleep easy. Deposits all gone and my pistons are greasy. Oh, Valvoline, you saved my freaking car. That's you, girl. Gas mileage back, that's making me happy. Horsepower's boosted and this thing's driving snappy. Oh, Valvoline, you do such a good job. Good job, girl. 79% stronger, anti-wear protection than industry standard. Oh, Valvoline, you do such a good job.
If you love your car, you'll love Valvoline Restore and Protect. Click the link to learn more.
Well, it's safe to say that Mustang was sick as hell. But the second car on our list...
Who the hell's that?
It's Zach Diehl.
Son of a... What is that?
You guys ever flipped over a CRV before?
No, can't say that I have.
Yeah, well, this is the best car here today for under $5,000. You know why, Jim?
Why?
Because Honda. K24, rough and rugged.
Really?
Look at what I can do to it.
Dude, rev that thing up.
Look at what I can do.
Hey, I couldn't help but notice that the front headlight is broken.
Yeah, that's for cutting through the bullshit, Jim. The next car on the list is the second-gen Honda CR-V, all-wheel drive specifically. This is the bad boy running the streets and the trails. Look, I'm a Toyota boy through and through. I like granola, raisins, peanuts, all the crunchy stuff that people love.
But for sure, you're not finding a Toyota under $5 grand.
You're not finding a Tundra, you're not finding a Tacoma, you're not finding a 4Runner under $5 grand. And if you do,
it's probably totaled and has 800,000 miles.
It's been rolled over. So you get one of these instead. This is the one that will take you everywhere.
Why do you like this so much, Zach?
I genuinely do love these. These are fantastic cars. We had one in our friend group for a while, and we would take it to Uwari all the time. time and just mob this thing through trails.
But you got a little bit of lighting, you got a little bit of tire, you got a little bit of bumper, and you're good to go. You can really take this thing anywhere. Steph, don't you have one of these?
I do. I have a second gen Honda CR-V.
How much did you pay for it?
I paid $4 grand.
See?
All right, I know you don't believe me, so what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna take it up that trail and we're gonna go all the way to the top of that mountain and we're gonna show that this thing has some off-road prowess. And then we're gonna take it around the track because this thing handles like a damn dime.
And also, it fits all of us. So
Yeah.
let's get in.
Everyone climb in. Diehl, take us to the top of this mountain.
Hold on tight, everybody. You guys wanna hit this at full speed?
Yeah. Hit it, hit it, hit it.
Keep in it, Bubba.
Foot to the floor, baby.
Keep in it. Oh,
Five.
smokes.
Oh, what a view.
Oh my God.
That's it?
I was
That's
hoping
it.
we could
This
really...
thing barely even ate.
The interior features on this thing are pretty nice.
This thing has something you've never seen, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
So much.
There it is.
Yep, this is the damn table that everybody talks about.
Oh my gosh, look at it. This is great.
Picnic table.
Amazing.
Hey, oh, hang on, let me sit back here and have a little picnic. This is a slick rare edition.
The early model.
This is the K24 model.
This is a good table. I'm gonna say you could put it, ow.
Jimmy got attacked by the damn door. This is a good daybed situation. You want to watch the
I'm
race?
not hopping in that sandwich. There's no way.
Hop in that sandwich.
No.
All right, just
So high up in the air.
sure is. You want D3 on this thing? Go ahead, that's D1.
There he goes.
Honestly, this CR-V is a highly capable vehicle. It's super comfortable. It has all these features. You can fit all your friends in. Even if you're just looking for a cool commuter, this is a really good choice. This is a freaking fantastic car for $4,000. Let's keep it moving.
We're talking about front wheel drive hot hatch. And no, it ain't a Civic.
It's a Mini Cooper S.
These guys are coming with a 1.6 liter supercharged inline 4, and with that it's making a respectable 165 horsepower. But these things are super light.
It's literally called a Mini.
It's right under 2,500 pounds. Jimmy's Miatas can suck it because this takes the cake.
In 1994, BMW bought the Mini Cooper's parent company, the Rover Group, and began developing right away. The first modern Mini Cooper hit the market in 2002 and was sold until 2006. A short but very successful run, and now there's plenty of these cars on the road and a ton of available aftermarket components. The combination of a short wheelbase, McPherson strut suspension up front, and a multi-link in the rear make it handle like a freaking go-kart. And again, you get a supercharger with the wine. Oh dude, this is so much fun.
Oh, you're doing it, Justin!
Yeah, this car handles amazing.
No, listen, for what it's giving,
This is a little ripper.
this is so rad. Oh my God. It
It's set
feels
up
like
really well.
wherever you go, the body is like right there. Like, oh, we're going this way, let's go, you know?
And that's kind of the beauty of front wheel drive. You're not trying to convince the rear end to come around, you know, because it's kind of dragging you. I mean, in higher performance situations, yes, you do want the rear end to rotate to fight understeer. But right now, I mean, like, this is great. And I can see this in an autocross. Look how responsive that is. It has no problem pulling up these little hills.
No, she does not. Oh my God.
Some things to look out for. This is a European car after all. Look out for the timing chain issues. The engine's chain tensioner is known to wear out, causing chain slap and possibly much worse issues. Also look out for oiling issues. These engines have been known to consume oil and they're recommended to change the oil every 5,000 miles strictly. It is built by BMW at the end of the day. The oil pump is likely to fail after 100,000 miles, so make sure you get everything done then, and make sure you get the car's history and any maintenance records to see if these issues have been taken care of recently. First modern generation Mini Cooper S supercharged. What do I think? I think it's a great project car. You're sleeping on this bad boy. Go surprise your friends by whipping their ass in the mountain.
This next car has a lot of charm and might surprise you. I truly believe that if you want a cheap right-hand drive car that's fun, this car's for you. It's a truck. A cute little truck. This is a K-truck, specifically a 1995 Suzuki Carry. Now there are a ton of K-truck variants. You've got your Subaru Sandbar, your Honda Acti, your Daihatsu Hi-Jet. There are a ton. I could go all day about talking about it, but today we're talking about this Suzuki Carry. It's pretty sick. It's got a 660cc engine. It's rear-wheel drive, which means you can have a lot of fun in this thing.
This K-Truck is built by our buddies over at Shinya, and as you can see, this thing is hard as hell.
Dude, it's got a Pandem Rocket Bunny kit on it.
Right.
It looks very cool.
It looks good. The livery is sick. It's styled really well. The fitment is awesome. The lip is great.
And it's still usable.
If you like some cool automotive merch, go check Shinya out
them out.
over at Zoomies. They are our brothers over there.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Yes. Yeah.
Dude, using all that power. These are still a huge workforce in Japan.
Right.
You see them everywhere. When I was over there earlier this year, I saw K-Trucks every day. There at least saw like 30. You know, there's.
Imagine Takumi had a K-Truck.
Yeah, it'd be crazy. But yeah, again, they go forever. There's such a good amount of aftermarket for them too. You've got the Rocket Bunny kit for this one, obviously, but there's also a ton of cool off-road stuff and camping stuff.
Right, so I've seen a lot of the overlandy / K-Truck styles.
Yeah.
That's really fun. They're very capable off-road because of how light they are.
Businesses are buying them and using them. If you go to Catalina Island, which is just off the shore of Los Angeles, that whole island is pretty much just K-Trucks.
And that's the beauty of something like this. This is a tool at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And the coolest thing about tools is you make them your own, right?
Yes.
So this K-Truck is a definite example of someone that took a tool and made it their own, right? All right.
Damn, dude, first time driving a K-Truck.
First time in a K-Truck, baby.
Yeah, you feel like.
Whee!
Go on, Justin, woo! Yeah!
This thing is like 6'6". I'm 6'5".
Yeah, it's over 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
Diehl, do not kill us.
I won't kill us.
Oh my God, Diehl, you're getting so close to that side.
I wasn't paying attention.
This is a fun car, guys. You too can buy a K-Truck and take it in reverse.
Our next car proves that you don't need to have a ton of horsepower to have a ton of fun. It's a lightweight, high-revving hatchback with tons of motorsport pedigree. It can only be one car, the Honda Civic.
Also, the most stolen vehicle ever.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this right here is a 1997 Honda Civic, or the EK. These were introduced in the mid-90s and have since become an icon for tuners, drag racers, road racers alike. They're iconic for a reason.
I'm honestly shocked that these are still under $5,000.
So this guy is equipped with a D16 under the hood here. It has a VTEC head on it if you're interested. This engine makes 106 horsepower, but can be tuned up with some pistons and rods. To make 200 horsepower, you slap a turbo on there. You can easily make between 300 to 500 horsepower depending on your confidence, but it can be done. This car right here in particular was $3,000. It's pretty straight. There's a few dings and dents here and there that can be easily replaced.
That's a great price for something to start with. Yes, the club. All right, if you got a Civic, you're definitely gonna need one of these. Some people have even gone as far as having a removable ECU so that it bricks the car.
So there's a reason this thing was $3,000. Justin,
You break this all.
it's a little beat up. It's got a lot of miles. But I mean, if you want a project car that you're not gonna rely on as your daily driver, I think it's fine.
Bingo, exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, a little bit of coilover and tire on this thing and you can go a long way.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, these Civics, it doesn't even matter how old it is. They're all really well optimized when it comes to working on it. They're very intuitive cars.
Incredibly easy.
You can take it to any mechanic. They're gonna help you, with the maintenance, or you can do it yourself.
You can find parts for it in a ditch.
They're very resilient engines. You can abuse them. You can do things not super correctly, and it'll still run like a champ, you know? Oh, VTEC.
VTEC.
Ah!
All noise.
It really was.
So obviously the Honda EK Civic hatchback is a great, amazing king of tuners type of car. And honestly, yeah, you can't really go wrong with it. $5,000 cars do still exist. Go get you one, learn a platform, have some fun, and no one's gonna judge you when you're flying around a corner with a bunch of grip, not lifting. Have a go.